Hey everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. You have heated seats for driver and passenger, as well as memory seats on the driver's side. Door controls, driver's seat with lumbar support, steering wheel, rear seats. Got one folded down there for a little extra storage in the trunk. Quick peek here at the front of the vehicle. Coming around to the rear, we've got our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage currently at 7,463. Do have a push button ignition. Here we've got our touchscreen display currently showing radio and backup camera. Below that is climate controls, cup holder, ashtray and cigarette lighter there. Command module here for also making adjustments on the display, and shifter. If you're interested in additional information about this GLC 300, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.